Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Remarkable to Google Drive. Connecting your Remarkable tablet to Google Drive is easier than it sounds. First, open your preferred browser, log into your Remarkable account. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top left corner and click on the menu. Select Integrations. Make sure to accept the terms of service so your account can sync properly. Next, under Storage, press Add to integrate Google Drive. Sign into your Google account and be sure to check the required permissions so the integration works smoothly. Once completed, you can return to Remarkable, assign a name for your Google Drive connection, save. Now your files can be seamlessly accessed and stored between Remarkable and Google Drive, making note taking a document management a breeze. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.